RollerCoin Play to Earn, the ultimate beginner-friendly guide to the #1 crypto gaming platform. The world of blockchain gaming has exploded with new opportunities, and one of the most talked about platforms today is the RollerCoin Play to Earn project. This fun, interactive, and fully free-to-start simulator lets players earn real cryptocurrency by gaming. Whether you're a beginner exploring Web3 for the first time or a seasoned crypto professional seeking new earning streams, RollerCoin delivers a unique blend of entertainment and real rewards. This article explores the entire system, strategies, and earning mechanics behind RollerCoin and similar play-to-earn platforms, giving you everything you need to start or scale your journey. Understanding RollerCoin Play-to-Earn games. What makes RollerCoin special? RollerCoin stands out because it operates as a virtual crypto mining simulator where players build their mining empire through simple and enjoyable mini-games. You don't need a powerful real mining machine. You don't need investments or complicated hardware knowledge. The RollerCoin Play-to-Earn model makes gaming the engine that generates your hash rate, which then mines real cryptocurrency. Players earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins by boosting their virtual computing power. You can withdraw rewards to any crypto wallet, reinvest them in mining gear, or simply save them for long-term accumulation. Everything happens inside an 8-bit style digital world that feels nostalgic, fast-paced, and surprisingly addictive. RollerCoin also solves one of the biggest issues in blockchain gaming: entry cost. Many Web3 projects require starter NFTs or tokens. In contrast, RollerCoin offers 100% free entry, making it accessible to anyone. Why play-to-earn matters in Web3? Play-to-earn gaming represents the evolution of entertainment. Instead of spending hours on traditional games that offer no return, players now receive incentives for participation, skill, and engagement. The RollerCoin Play-to-Earn model perfectly captures this new era. It combines enjoyable activities with blockchain-based rewards, making gaming not only fun, but financially meaningful. For professionals in the cryptosphere, RollerCoin also provides a risk-free way to diversify stable earning strategies without direct market exposure. For beginners, it is a simple introduction to mining, cryptocurrency fundamentals, and basic blockchain principles, without any financial risks. How RollerCoin works: beginner to pro breakdown. Creating your account, getting started is simple. RollerCoin supports email sign-up or social media login. No personal documents, no KYC, and no payments required to begin. Once onboarded, players receive a small base hash rate and access to hundreds of gaming opportunities. Why this matters? For beginners, easy onboarding removes barriers. For professionals, multiple account authentication options streamline access. The RollerCoin Play-to-Earn system is built for convenience and accessibility. Playing minigames to generate hash rate. In RollerCoin, earning begins with minigames. These are short, arcade-style experiences inspired by classic 8-bit games. Each completed game rewards the player with hash rate. The more you play, the more power you accumulate. Types of games: puzzle games, reflex-based challenges, reaction time tests, strategy mini-games, classic arcade-style levels. Each game session lasts around 30 to 60 seconds, making it easy to play during breaks or casually throughout the day. Why mini-games matter? Unlike real crypto mining, mini-games require no hardware or electricity. They transform your time and skill into virtual computing power. The RollerCoin Play-to-Earn model democratizes mining so that anyone can participate. Building and upgrading your mining farm. Your mining farm is the heart of your gaming empire. RollerCoin allows you to purchase and place virtual miners that generate passive hash rate. Professional players often focus on strategic upgrades, while beginners enjoy experimenting with their first miners. Key benefits: higher hash rate equals higher earnings. Miners work even while you are offline. Upgrades increase long-term income. Visual customization makes your farm unique. Your mining room becomes your personal headquarters, and every upgrade increases your earning potential. Choosing which coins to mine. One of RollerCoin's most powerful features is the ability to select which cryptocurrency you want to mine. You can switch between coins instantly and adjust your mining pools at any time. supported cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, various internal tokens, seasonal limited time rewards. This flexibility allows you to shape your personal earning strategy based on market trends or long-term savings goals. Strategic advantage. Professionals often diversify earnings to hedge market volatility. Beginners can experiment with different coins to understand how mining rewards fluctuate. Withdrawing your crypto earnings. RollerCoin allows withdrawals to any personal crypto wallet. There are no hidden fees or complicated processes. What you earn in-game is yours to keep, reinvest, or trade. Why withdrawals are important. Many play-to-earn games reward players with tokens that have limited liquidity or unrealistic use cases. RollerCoin Play-to-Earn stands apart by providing rewards that can be used anywhere in the crypto ecosystem. Earning strategies in RollerCoin. Beginner-friendly strategies. 1. Focus on daily mini-games. Short, consistent sessions increase hash rate quickly. 2. Reinvest early earnings. Small upgrades snowball into massive passive income. 3. Try different coins. Experimentation builds understanding of market behavior. Advanced professional strategies. 1. Optimize hash rate distribution. Pro players shift their power between high-value pools with precision. 2. Combine passive and active mining. Using miners plus gaming creates a balanced earning system. 3. Seasonal event participation. Events often bring bonus power, new miners, and unique rewards. 4. ROI calculation on miners. Experienced gamers evaluate each miner's return rate to maximize efficiency. Why RollerCoin Play-to-Earn is leading the market. Zero risk and free entry. Most Web3 games require investments. RollerCoin does not. This alone attracts millions of players. Simple, yet rewarding mechanics. Easy mini-games ensure accessibility. Strategic upgrades ensure depth. Real cryptocurrency rewards. Your earnings can be withdrawn, saved, traded, or reinvested. Ever-growing community. Millions of active players, constant updates, and global engagement. Educational value. RollerCoin teaches crypto fundamentals, mining concepts, Web3 basics, portfolio diversification, blockchain economics. No other play-to-earn game combines fun and learning in such a balanced way. Tips for maximizing RollerCoin earnings. Play consistently. Small daily sessions outperform long, irregular sessions. Upgrade smartly. Compare miner power before purchasing. Diversify your mining. Split your hash rate to avoid market risk. Participate in every event. Events can multiply earnings dramatically. Track your results. Watching your mining growth motivates further improvement. RollerCoin versus other play-to-earn games. 1. Lower entry barriers. No NFTs or tokens needed to start. 2. Better reward system. Real crypto, not inflated in-game tokens. 3. Higher engagement. Mini-games are more fun than passive clicking mechanics. 4. Long-term stability. RollerCoin has years of proven activity, updates, and transparency. Summary. RollerCoin is one of the most powerful and user-friendly play-to-earn crypto platforms available today. It blends gaming, mining, strategy, and real crypto rewards in a way that is easy for beginners and valuable for professionals. The RollerCoin Play-to-Earn model teaches essential blockchain concepts while providing daily opportunities to earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets completely free. Whether you want to build a simple mining room, play fun 8-bit games, or maximize strategic mining rewards, RollerCoin offers endless possibilities. It is fast, rewarding, and one of the safest Web3 earning platforms due to its zero-risk entry model. FAQ 1. Is RollerCoin really free? Yes, you can start with zero investment and earn crypto just by playing games. 2. How much can I earn? Earnings depend on your hash rate, activity level, miners, and chosen coins. 3. Do I need a real mining machine? No. RollerCoin uses virtual hash rate earned from gameplay. 4. Can I withdraw my coins? Yes, you can withdraw to any personal wallet with no restrictions. 5. Is RollerCoin safe for beginners? Absolutely. It is simple, friendly, and requires no financial risks. Call to action. Ready to build your own virtual mining empire? Dive into the world of RollerCoin Play-to-Earn. Start playing minigames, boost your hash rate, and claim real crypto rewards today. The future of gaming and earning is here, accessible, fun, and waiting for you.